I have no idea like what's going on with the lighting. Kind of look orange, or maybe I just got tan from swimming. I have no idea. What's up, guys? It's me, obviously. Today is a very special video. I am literally so excited. Like, I ran to the mailbox with no shoes on. I got my Shane Dawson merch today. Today's Saturday. Literally so excited. Here it is. Ran to the mailbox with no shoes on. So this like actually says my name. So let's open this. I'm kind of scared because the mic is like right here. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, so I have one thing to say. We didn't get this on Amazon. We got it on like Cola. I don't know. So I'm kind of scared it's gonna be like a knockoff. Oh, I'm freaking out. Okay. Okay, so this is it. It's, I don't know. Is it supposed to be this small? Is it just me? Or is that kind of like... Maybe it's just because I know it's not from Amazon, so I'm kind of like... I don't know, I got this in a, I think, small. They didn't have extra small, so I had to get it in small. It's kind of big, but I don't really mind big hoodies. But point being, I don't know if this is supposed to be bigger. But I like it, so it's fine. So we're just gonna have to deal with it. I don't know. I'm fine with it. I spent this with my own money. My dad gave me 30 bucks, and then I cleaned the entire house, and my mom gave me the rest of the money that I needed. So, you know, it's pretty cool. I also had $5 more at home, so I spent like $35 on this, and then my mom gave me, I think, like $7 more for this. Let's try this on. Oh, it's actually really soft inside. Don't get my lashes. Oh my god, and it's black. Okay, I'm just kidding. I love it, and it has a pocket. I'm literally gonna wear this so much. I'm so excited. No words. I don't even care if it's a knockoff at this point. This is it. The pig. This is, oh my god, and it has a pocket, and it's actually really soft inside, so you know, I'm okay with it. I'm literally so excited. I'm gonna wear this like every day to school, every day to like outings and videos, and I've never gotten merch before, so this is like my first actual merch, and I love Shane Dawson. Like, Shane Dawson is everything, and him and Ryland are so cute together. And I also love Garrett and Andrew's laugh, and Morgan is hilarious. Oh my god, I'm so happy and so excited to wear this everywhere. It's summer, but it's okay because I'll wear it anyways. Really short video, I know. I just really wanted to open this on camera. This was literally my first reaction. I did not open it. I literally waited all day. I was so busy today, and I got it at like 4 o'clock. So it was in the mailbox. I've been waiting all day to open this, and now I have it, and I'm so excited. So I'm satisfied, even if it's a knockoff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Really short, it's fine. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Everything happens for a reason. Bye!